Alright, here's Gap N52, and today my 328, it got some headers put on it today. I ain't record the process because I ain't want to be worried about the camera, but I got these on, now I can easily weld my exhaust pipe on them. Says no shop want to weld it for me. They give me a quick update on where I've been at. We got headers. And I'm gonna just start it for y'all. They doing, I don't know what they got going on, but we focus on us. Update y'all like that though. My car a mess in the inside. I've been trying to put in some work for y'all. Got the red push button. It's idling perfect. I still ain't even read the codes though. Another reason why I've been trying to figure out the transmission and stuff. I just can't move. Like, I'm losing movement and stuff like that. I lost my movement for some reason, somehow. I'm gonna finish putting up this rest of the transmission fluid inside of it. Then hopefully I can fill it up, the transmission fluid up. And we call it what it is today.